Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. Guys, today's video I'll be showing you this round shape beautiful bag. This is the part 2 of this tutorial. Please kindly go back and watch the part 1 of this tutorial. I'll be dropping the link under the description of this video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification button for more updates. I'm still working on the gusset of my bag, so I'm just going to take this leather here and stitch it to just to cover up the I'm just going to stitch it just to cover up the rough stitch. Now I'm going to turn the gusset to the other side and top stitch. After doing all this, the next thing is to take my panel, the front panel, and my gusset, and I'm just going to stitch everything together. So I'm going to mark all the places that I've notched. I'm going to start stitching from the top of my bag. I'm going to stitch the top, the bottom, then stitch everything round. I'm done stitching the front panel of my bag to the gusset. You guys can see how lovely it looks. Now I'm going to take the back panel and stitch it to my gusset. Guys, I'm through stitching the bag. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut out the I'm just going to trim it. After trimming it, I'm going to use my lighter to burn some places, just to burn the excess fabric or the thread. So I'm just going to burn it to make it look neat and nice. After this, I'm going to be using my webbing to tape this bag round. I'm going to use the webbing on both panels, both the front and the back panel of my bag. I'm going to use it to cover up the stitches. The measurement for this buckle is 1.5 inches. So I'm just going to take a measurement for the belt. I'll be making use of that buckle for my belt. So I'm just going to take a measurement of 1.2. Yeah, for my belt. So I'm just going to make it a little bit short, but of course I'm going to use the pattern to bring out a very long belt. So basically, guys, the measurement I'm taking right now is 1.2 for the width of my belt. Then the measurement for the length, you have to take the measurement of your waist to know the measurement for the length of your belt. So for this particular bag, I'll be making use of 42 length for the belt. Guys, I'm through sketching out the belt, so I'm just going to place it on my vinyl fabric and bring just sketch it out from my fabric. For the waist belt, I'm actually sketching out I'll be sketching out two of the strap. So I'm just going to sketch out two and fold the both waist belt. I'm going to fold them separately and gum them together before stitching. Now I'm going to stitch my waist belt using my flatbed machine. Please, if you have any questions, you can always drop your questions under the comment section. And if you find this video interesting, you like the video, please give us a beautiful like and a nice comment. So guys, this tutorial has come to an end. You can see the result of the bag looking beautiful and great. Okay guys, so this tutorial has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this tutorial, and I hope you learned one or two things. Please, if you have any questions, you can always drop your questions under the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button for more updates. Thank you so much. See you soon.